Okay, so hello team,
Hello.
welcome all of you in this training session. So today we are going to see, or rather we are going to learn how to work on bitrix 24 CRM. Okay, right? So we are going to see a few things like how to manage your work time, how to manage or create your projects and tasks inside the CRM system, and how you can uh, manage your task, how you can manage your work efficiency. So these are the things that we are going to do or we are going to learn today. Okay. So I am sharing my screen. Just give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen.
हाँ तो बता क्या बोल रहे थे तुम?
Okay. So is it visible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So guys, as you log into your Bittrex CRM, you directly come to this page. This is called feeds. So whatever important instructions or notifications or reminders that are important for you, or if you are part of that particular event, everything or all the information you will receive in the feeds, right? So you can scroll down all the feeds and get the updated information about the new events or tasks. Okay, so this is one thing. Now, when you start your day, first of all, when you start your day, now
रिकॉर्ड करी
onwards, you
उसने
have to,
हाँ?
रिकॉर्ड करी वो तो ट्रेनिंग है ना कैसे करना चाहिए
Jamila, please mute your mic. I am recording this session.
Sorry.
Yeah. So when you start your day, so it is important that you first log in into the CRM system, because if you do not log in, your work day will not count. Okay, so a very simple, clear instructions that when you start your day, you have to log in into the CRM system. And how you are going to manage your work time. So it's very simple. When you log into the CRM system, you landed or you directly go to this page, which is called feeds section. Now on the header side, if you see the header, you will see there is a logo of the CRM. Then there is a find option. Then there is a clock here, and it says working. Right? Can you see this? It's a clock, and
Yes.
it is written working. So every one of you, when you log in, you will find this button here. When you click this button, it says working day duration. Right now, I'm getting these two buttons, break and clock out, because I have already started my day, because I have already logged in. Okay, I have already clocked in. So instead of getting clock in button, what I'm getting is break. So if I want to go for a break, let's say if I am on a lunch break, or let's say if I am on a tea break, I can simply click the break button. So everybody inside the organization will be able to know, that will get this information that you are right now on break. Okay. So you can use this button for going on break. So right now, why I'm getting, I said that because I have already clocked in, and therefore I'm getting this button as break. And there is a clock out button. Once you finish your work day, you can simply click on this clock out button. Okay, so automatically your work time will get recorded in the system, your work day, your work time will get calculated, like 8 hours, 9 hours, or 7 hours, whatever. Okay, so how much you have worked will be decided based on your clock in and clock out functions. So use it properly when you come, when you start your day, just log in, use the clock in button. It will be highlighted in green color. Okay, so click this button for clock in, and when you are done for the day, when you are winding up your work, just click clock out button. Okay, so this is going to be your daily ritual. Now let's say if on a particular day you forgot to clock out, right? This may happen, correct? On some particular day you forgot to clock out. So if you forgot to clock out, this this button on the header will show that you forgot to clock out yesterday. This clock will give you an information that you forgot to clock out, and then again you will have to click this button, and you need to click this clock out button. Okay, and then you have to provide the time when you clocked out yesterday. Okay, are you getting me? So if on a particular day, if you forgot to clock out, the next day it will not give you clock in button here. Instead, it will say that you forgot to clock out yesterday. Please clock out and then clock in. So you have to clock out. You have to click this clock out button, and then it will ask you the time when you clocked out, the time when you went home, like when you wound up your work. So you have to provide that time and then click on the clock out button. And then again, it will show you clock in button. Are you all with me so far?
Yes.
Okay. So now onwards, if you forgot to clock in, your work day will not count. Okay. Your work and your work day will not get counted, and you will be considered on leave. Okay, so it is very pertinent that you always have this habit to clock in and clock out. Everyone, is it? Are you getting me?
No, I got it.
Okay, so this is the first thing that you have to do. Secondly, there is an option of calendar, and inside calendar there are two different calendar. This is my calendar and this is company calendar. In my calendar, you will get your personal tasks or your personal events. In the company calendar, you will get company-wide information. Like if the company has held some kind of event, you will get all the information in company events. Like these are the two different events. This is the event that is already going on, and this is the event that we have scheduled for 18th of December. Right? So this is how you are going to get your information from the calendar for important events and dates. The next thing is webmail. Right now, I have connected my webmail, my email address, and this is why I can see all the emails here. But after this training, what I will do, I'll connect all of your email into the CRM system, and then now onwards, you don't have to go to a separate login, or you don't have to go to Outlook or on the web browser to log into your email. You can directly get your emails inside the CRM system, like you can see mine. Okay. The next thing is work groups. This is what I want to show you today, that in work group, sorry, just give me a minute. Not in work group, but the tasks and projects. All of you have to maintain this thing, tasks and projects. In the tasks, you can create what are you doing right now, or what are your different tasks. Like if you are working on image, or if you, let's say, if you are working on company calendar, let's say if you are working on any different type of work that you are having right now or you are working upon, you have to maintain a list of inventory of your tasks. How you can create a task? Very simple. Come to the tasks and projects. Click this task button on your left hand side. Okay. And there you will get a plus icon. This is for creating a new task. Click this button. Give a name to this task like demo task 1. Demo task 1. Okay. And this will be your name because it is your task. Then give it a deadline. Deadline means when this task will going to be completed by you. Okay, because this is your task, you are the assignee. So when it will get completed. So give a task, give this task a deadline. Let's say on 17th by, and set a time. By when? On 17th, let's say by 4:30 on 17th December, this task will get completed. So click the select button and now you can see the deadline is set at 17th December, 4:30 p.m. Okay. Then you can simply click on add task. Okay. And it will create a list. Right now you are on the list view. Okay. And this is showing you like list, one after another. But if you want to see it like a Kanban, you can click on the deadline icon, deadline here, and then you will get your task like a Kanban report. Like if the task is overdue, or is it due today, or is it due on the next day, or on the next week, or after 2 weeks, when it is going to get complete. Are you with me so far? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay. So this is how you need to create your tasks, so that you and the team, or the executive team, management team will get to know that you are doing these works, and all these works are going to get complete by these days and these. This is the time limit, right? So these are the different views, like deadline or planner or list. These are the different view types, like how you want to view your task uh, in progress, or the completed task, or overdue task, how you are going to, or how you want to see these items. So these are just views, like Kanban view or list view. But the important thing is how you can create a task, how you can assign a date, and how you can assign a time. And automatically your calendar and Gantt chart will get created. Whenever you create a task, it will automatically sync with your personal calendar. So now you can see that this is your personal calendar, and on 17th December, I have this task to be completed by 4:30 p.m. So this is how you will be, you can keep a track of your tasks and important events. and the Gantt chart is automatically get prepared by the time, by calculating the time. It will automatically calculate the time and it will prepare a Gantt chart. You are not required to go to the Gantt chart thing, but what you have to do is creating a task and maintaining your deadlines, right?
Okay.
So I think this is what I wanted to show you for today. I hope you are clear what you have to do, how you have to maintain your work time, and how you can keep a track of your tasks, how you can create a new task, how you can keep a track of your tasks going on and already overdue tasks, and due on today, or let's say if the task is due on the next week, or on the over 2 weeks. Okay, so this is how you have to create a list of your tasks and your deadlines. Okay, all clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this is all for the day, and if required, we will give you more detailed training on different aspects of this CR, right? Right now, for the day, uh, we have just decided to give you training on the two different things. First was the work time management, and second was the task and project management. Okay, so thank you for being here. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And if you are all clear, then we can simply conclude this meeting and we can uh, over this call. We can simply close this call.
हाँ अली सर मुझे एक बार वो लॉगिन लॉगआउट का पेज दिखा दो मेरा बीच में से
Okay, so how you can log in and log out? Simply when you log into the system, when you log into the CRM, you will get a window like this. Okay, you will get a window like this. Basically, you are on the feeds section, and on the header, you will see a clock. Okay, a clock ticking on the header. Just click on this clock, and then you will get two different buttons here. One will be a clock in button, and second will be a clock out button, right? Why I am getting a break and clock out? Because I have already clocked in and now I am getting a break button. So if I am on a break, let's say if I am on a tea break, or let's say if I am on a lunch break, I can simply click this break button and it will start my break time, like I am on the break. And when you resume your work after the break, just click on the continue button. Okay, so your work time again started.
Ali Akbar, I have a
And once you
question.
finish, okay, yeah.
हाँ, सो सपोज हम लोग लाइक ब्रेक पे जा रहे हैं एंड उसको बीच में
Mhm,
ब्रेक डाल रहे हैं बट हमें 9 आवर्स कंप्लीट करना है एंड
mhm.
सपोज जैसे आपके क्लॉक में ऑलरेडी टाइम चल रहा है 3 आवर्स और 10 मिनट समथिंग कुछ, अगर हम ब्रेक
Yes.
में डालेंगे बीच में
Mhm.
और उसमें फिर 9 आवर्स कंप्लीट नहीं होंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना?
You have to complete 8 hours and 1 hour is of your break time.
ओके, तो 8 आवर्स कंप्लीट करना, ओके, डन। एंड
Okay.
सेकेंड थिंग इज, जो टास्क वाला आपने मुझे बताया, लाइक आप हम चेकआउट करते, जो मैं पहले करती थी, हमने चेकआउट किया तो
Mhm.
वहां पे टास्क पूछते हैं, तो डेली बेसिस पे टास्क अपडेट करना है या फिर जैसे कोई
Yes, yes.
स्पेशल
You
टास्क
you
है,
have to
सपोज
you
हम
have to
इस
update your tasks
ऑन डेली बेसिस?
daily. Yes, daily basis.
ओके।
Okay. So you,
ओके,
let's say now today you are working on, let's say
वो तो वैसे हम वहां पे
on,
चेकआउट करते तो वहां पर ऑप्शन आता है ना टास्क का?
हाँ वहां पे आएगा ऑप्शन। सो
हम्म।
किस तरह से क्रिएट करना है वो मैंने आपको बताया। सो हाउ
ओके।
यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ टास्क वो मैंने आपको बताया यहाँ पे।
ओके, डन,
ओके,
थैंक यू।
एंड ऑन डेली बेसिस यू हैव टू क्रिएट टास्क।
ओके,
ओके,
या गॉट इट।
एनीवन हैविंग एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी डाउट?
मतलब अली सर ये डेली जब हम व्हाट्सएप पे नॉर्मली लॉगिन करते हैं यहाँ पे आके डेली मतलब वो लॉगिन का डालना है
हाँ यस, आपको यहीं पे डालना है।
ओके, और फिर वो जो टी टाइम है या लंच टाइम है वो भी लॉग इन लॉग आउट करना है।
हाँ वो आपको यहाँ से मैनेज करना है।
और वर्क फ्रॉम होम है तो वो सेम एज इट रहेगा ना, मतलब घर से ही कर रहा है लेकिन यहाँ
यस
से जो
यस
लॉग इन
यस,
लॉग आउट।
कहीं कहीं पे भी करो आप, ये ऐसा ही रहेगा। आपको
और
सबसे पहले क्लॉक इन करना है, देन
और
यू
मैं
नीड
लीव
टू
लेती
क्लॉक
हूँ
आउट।
तो उसका
हाँ
कहाँ पे डालना है?
वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा। अभी आपको डेली बेसिस के ऊपर जो करना है वो आपको सिर्फ इन्फॉर्म करना है, एंड वी विल पुट अ लीव।
अभी
वो
यहाँ
आपको
पे
हमें इन्फॉर्म करना
एनआरएस
है।
के रिगार्डिंग वर्क मुझे डालना है, ओके। और मेरा साथ में सम ऑफ रिजोमेटिक का भी रहता है, तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगी?
यहाँ पर सी
वो
होता
ठीक है,
है
वो आपको यहाँ पे डालने की जरूरत नहीं है। यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ नेक्स्ट कैपिटल के रिलेटेड
हाँ,
जो
लेकिन वो
भी
तो फिर
चीजें
ऐसा
आप कर
दिखेगा ना
रहे
कि मेरा
हो।
तो इतना ही वर्क हो रहा है, मैं ये
जमीला,
हूँ।
इस कॉल के बाद में बात करता हूँ
अलग
मैं
जगह
आपसे
कॉपी
इसके
करते
ऊपर।
हो।
डोंट मिक्स अप थिंग्स, वो मैं इसके बाद में बात करता हूँ आपसे। बट यहाँ पे जितनी भी चीजें आएगी, ओके, जितना भी जो भी काम आप नेक्स्ट कैपिटल के लिए करोगे, वही सारी चीजें यहाँ पे आएगी। लेट्स से यू आर क्रिएटिंग एन इमेज फॉर नेक्स्ट कैपिटल, पुट इट हियर, लाइक क्रिएट अ टास्क। ओके, यहाँ पे आओगे आप एंड क्लिक दिस बटन। ओके, और यहाँ पे जो भी आपका इमेज है, वो इमेज का आप टास्क यहाँ पे नाम दोगे, लेट्स से डेमो टास्क 2। ठीक है, assignee will be you because it is your task. ओके, डेडलाइन, कैसे आपको डेडलाइन क्रिएट करना है, जस्ट सिंपली क्लिक दिस। ओके, और क्लिक दिस कैलेंडर, अ कैलेंडर विल ओपन। यहाँ पे आपको चेक करना है आपकी डेट, कौन सी डेट पे ये टास्क कंप्लीट होगा। ओके, लेट्स से ये जो टास्क आज आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो, जरूरी नहीं है कि ये टास्क आज ही खत्म हो। ओके, हो सकता है जो टास्क आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो वो सिर्फ एक दिन का हो, या कुछ आवर्स का हो, या कुछ मिनट्स के लिए हो सकता है कोई जो टास्क आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो वो एक हफ्ते का हो, 2 हफ्ते का हो, या हो सकता है वो एक पूरे महीने का टास्क हो। तो उसके डेट और उसका टाइम क्या है? ओके, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल, आज मैं टास्क क्रिएट कर रहा हूं, और मेरा जो टास्क कंप्लीशन होगा वो नेक्स्ट मंथ में होगा, लेट्स से 15th of January। ओके, एंड बाय व्हेन इट विल गेट कंप्लीटेड, कुछ टाइम लिमिट हमको देना है, तो 15 तारीख को कब कंप्लीट होगा। तो लेट्स से 15 तारीख को मुझे सुबह 10 बजे या सुबह 11 बजे मुझे, लेट्स से आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ रिपोर्ट, एंड आई हैव टू प्रोवाइड दिस रिपोर्ट टू मैनेजमेंट बाय 11:30 AM। ओके, यहाँ पे लेट्स से मैं टास्क क्रिएट करता हूँ, डेमो रिपोर्ट। ठीक है, ये मेरा टास्क हो गया। इस टास्क के बारे में आपको कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन इनपुट करना है, कोई इंपॉर्टेंट ऐसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, या कोई नोट्स है जो आप चाहते हो कि आपको याद नहीं रहेंगे बाद में, या आपको क्या कंप्लीट करना है, या आपका फ्लो किस तरह से रहेगा, आपको जस्ट वही रिकॉर्ड करना है, तो यू कैन सिंपली टाइप एवरीथिंग हियर। ओके, लाइक स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, और इम्पोर्टेंट नोट। ओके, तो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास में हमेशा यहाँ पे सेव रहेगी। आपको कोई फाइल अटैच करना है, लेट्स से यू वांट टू अटैच अ फाइल, यू कैन सिंपली क्लिक अ फाइल हियर, अपलोड अ फाइल। ओके, यूजिंग दिस ऑप्शन। आपको कोई डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करना है यहीं पे, यू कैन चूज दिस ऑप्शन एंड क्रिएट अ वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट और एक्सेल फाइल, और if you are working on a PPT, you can select this option. You want to mention someone in the company, like this is the task, but let's say this is your manager. Let's say if this is your manager, you can tag this person. Okay, you can write a code, checklist, add to checklist. There are so many options, but these are the basic options that will help you complete your task, right? Again, give a deadline. So let's say this is going to get completed by the next month, by the 15th of the next month. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just change the month and date, and here will also get changed here. Okay, so let's say the next month is January 15, 2025, and I am going to get this completed by 11:30 a.m. Okay, then click on the select button and then simply click on add task. Okay, now you will see that we are on the Kanban dashboard. We are on the deadline dashboard. This is basically a Kanban dashboard. So this is the task which is due this week, and this is the task that is a demo report. This is the task that is going to get completed by the next month. So it is due over 2 weeks. ओके, 2 हफ्तों के से ज्यादा इसका टाइमलाइन है, और जो ऑलरेडी ओवरड्यू है, लेट्स से इफ द टास्क इज ऑलरेडी ओवरड्यू, यू कैन सिंपली पुट इट हियर, you can simply put it here like this, right? Any questions?
यस सर।
Okay,
इसमें
yes sir
ये जो
means
नेक्स्ट पे मैंने क्वेश्चन चाहिए।
mhm.
इसमें जो वेबमेल आपने दिया है इससे जाना है, लॉगिन करना है।
आपको लॉगिन कैसे करना है? यू नीड टू गो टू nextcapital.bitrix24.com. Type this URL in your browser. Okay,
ओके
you will land on the authentication page. Okay, there you need to enter your ID and your password, and then you will get you will land on this page. Once you are in, you will land on this page, and from here you will need to complete your first activity, which is clocking in
राइट
and clocking out. So this
ओके
is going to be your first activity. Whenever you come online, you need to clock in, and when you complete your work day, just simply click on clock out.
नहीं आपने जो ये ईमेल आईडी दिया है सारा अजीज एट नेक्स्ट कैपिटल,
हाँ,
ये किस चीज में यूज होगा?
वो वो मैं आपको इसके अंदर कॉन्फ़िगर कर दूंगा, आपके सिस्टम, आपके सीआरएम के अंदर, ताकि जितने भी ईमेल्स है वो आप डायरेक्टली यहीं से ओपन कर सको। जो भी ईमेल आपको आते हैं, लेट्स से कंपनी का कोई ईमेल आपको आया या हमने आपको कोई ईमेल किया, वो डायरेक्टली आपको यहाँ से आप ओपन कर सकते हो। दिस इज फॉर
ओके
नेक्स्ट कैपिटल। हाँ, नेक्स्ट कैपिटल ईमेल आईडी। ओके,
ओके।
एनी क्वेश्चंस अभी तक में? और कोई क्वेश्चंस?
अली अकबर, मैं एक बार अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके पूछूं आपसे, मुझे कुछ पूछना था।
हाँ, बताओ।
हाँ, अब एक बार अपनी स्क्रीन बंद करना।